At nakapaloob
Tax law
sa Section 236, ito, para madaling tandaan, ito, E2. Section 236E2. 236 is the registration requirements. So, under Section 236E2, okay, yung E would be cancellation of registration. And yung 2, specifically cancellation of VAT registration. So, ito yung babalik ka from VAT to non-VAT. Okay? So, according to the tax code, ano nga yung provision? 236E2. Okay, ito. Sabi doon, kapag nag-file ka ng application, whether that is electronic or manual. Bakit electronic or manual? Dahil sa isang paying taxes, di ba? Meron na tayo. Naging nag-digitalize sa CBIR. So, andyan yung true rules. Diba? Update ka through 1905. Or manual, punta ka ng RDO, fill up ka doon ng 1905, submit mo, then mag-update ka ng info. That's it. At kailangan mapatunayan mo that within the next 12 months, hindi mag-i- ang gross sales mo, hindi. Yung papunta ka papunta, hindi pass. Tapos na yung pass. Okay? Kailangan mong patunayan that the following 12 months, okay? Okay, kay commissioner, yung gross sales mo ay hindi mag-i-exceed sa threshold that would be as of now 3 million. Pero subject to changes yan according to the provision of Section 109(c). Okay? So, double D na pala, gumalaw na naman. So, ayun, kailangan hindi ka mag-exceed ng 3 million for the next 12 months. So, at ang ikinakount doon would be yung sales mo other than those na considered exempt under Section 109, letter A to letter C. Would be sales to sale of agricultural food product. So, hindi kinakount nyo sa 3 million threshold. Okay? So, kapag na-establish mo yan, then you will be allowed to revert back to non-VAT registration. So, maka-cancel yung VAT registration mo, masasubject ka sa non-VAT registration. Ayun po ang provision ng tax code. So again, tandaan, pag iniisip mo, pwede pa ba akong bumalik, alalahanin mo lang ang provision ng Section 236E2. Ito yon. Okay?